Hi everyone, this is Farah. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, as you can see, is a what fits in my bag video. In this channel, I make a lot of videos on luxury, fashion, style, handbags. So if you love that type of videos and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you back, and welcome back again if you are already subscribed. Thanks for being here. So today I'm going to show you guys my handbag that I got recently and unboxed, or I did a reveal on this channel not too long ago. So that is my Gucci DIONYSUS Mini in the kind of like a burnt red burgundy color with the blooms pattern that I unboxed recently. I want to show you guys what fits in here because I know this is known as like a mini bag, but I would say it has pretty good capacity, so I wanted to kind of show you guys. So let me go ahead and open this up. So you just have that clasp and you can open it. You have the chain in there. It's stuffed right now, so I'm going to take the stuffing out. And this bag, again, if you remember, it can be worn shoulder like this. It could be worn long shoulder, crossbody, or even as a clutch bag if you tuck in the chains. So I'm going to kind of put my essentials in here. Now the one thing I don't have is my phone because I'm filming on it, but it does fit in there, and I have a Samsung Galaxy S11, I believe, so it's a pretty big phone. So normally what I would put in my bag is, I've got my things down here, but is my wallet. Like very important, so this goes in there, no problem. Plenty of room still, because the side really stretches out. Then I would have my keys, and oftentimes I have my key fob for my car is also on here, so keys goes in super easy. Hand sanitizer or hand lotion, again, goes in very easy. Lip products are always a must, so usually I have a chapstick and I have a lipstick or a lip color product, so both of these can go in, no problem. Sunglasses are essential for me, so I've got these sunglasses from Coach. These also can go in, no problem. Lots of space still. Let me see if I have like a pen, put that in. This little case holds my headphones. It's a little case, big case, that can also go in pretty easy. Put my sunglasses on top. Now let's see about closing it. Yeah. Close it. I know that some people say this bag is really heavy, and I will say the chain is pretty weighty, but it's not like super heavy, and the chain is comfortable, like being on my shoulder. Like it's not like an uncomfortable chain because I think the thickness of it and the kind of flatness of it. So it's actually not too bad. So yeah, it fits all this, and as you can see, it has plenty of room still in it to fit my phone. I can easily slip my phone right here. So yeah, this is kind of all what will fit in the DIONYSUS. Probably the only thing missing that I normally love to carry is like a water bottle. I can definitely put like a snack, like a granola bar or something in there. So I love it. And oh yeah, I didn't show you guys this. This does have a front pocket in here. So let me see. Just curious, like this pen, does it fit? Yeah, you can actually fit that pen in there and put some business cards in there. Let me see my wallet. So the wallet can even fit in there. That's nice. So if I wanted to have the wallet separate and then have this whole interior open, I could do that, and it doesn't stretch it out too much. Can I close it with that? Yeah. Oh, that's really nice. I like to have that. So like if I have it and I need to get to my wallet, I know the wallet is safe underneath this flap. That's cool. The phone, my phone will not fit in this front pocket. It only fits in this interior pocket. I did test that out earlier. But yeah, that's really nice. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of what fits in my new Gucci DIONYSUS bag. I'm really enjoying this bag right now. So can't wait to just wear it and enjoy enjoy it, because especially when you get a new bag, you know, that's always the fun part, is taking it out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in my next videos. Please subscribe if you haven't below, and hope you're having a wonderful day. See you in my next video. Bye.